sumali ni Pau Pau sa Easter egg hunting dito sa may clubhouse namin. Kaya lang napakaaga, 7 AM ata yung start. Tulog na tulog pa siya nun. Kaya ako na lang ang gagawa ng activity niya. So, meron ako ditong mga ganito. Dito, egg. Na pwede mo siyang drawing. Nabili ko pa ito nung nakaraang taon. Tapos yung iba naman, lalagyan ko lang. Ayan, na-ready ko na siya kagabi. Nilagyan ko siya lang ng chocolate.
Wow!
Ito naman, lagyan ko lang siya nito. May mga nakita lang ako na ganito. Yung sa Lego. Hindi pa namin nabubuksan.
Wow!
Tapos ito, lagyan ko lang ng coins. So, ayan. Ayan, kasya naman siya.
Wow!
At may kasama na rin siya parang mga ganito na pang color. So, ayan. Ayan yung mga design niya.
Wow!
Kakalat ko lang siya dito sa buong bahay at ipapahanap ko sa kanya mamaya. Kahit siya lang naman yung naglalaro dito, masaya na rin naman siya. So, dito, maglalagay lang ako. Ayan, ganun. Ito na yung last. Dito ko na lang lagay. Yan. So, okay na. Nalagay ko na lahat. Tawagin na natin si Pau Pau.
Hi guys, happy Easter! Today we're going to do an egg hunt today. So let's find them! Let's find all the eggs. I actually see them because they're in bad hiding spots. 1, 2, 3, let's go do the egg hunt!
Okay, go.
Okay, it's right there. Oh, it's another one. It's like I'm picking duck eggs in different spots.
Wow!
Okay.
Okay, guys, I already saw one right there. Eggy, come here. You can't hide from me. Oh my God, there's something inside.
Wow!
Oh my God, I actually saw that what you just whispered. Okay, I already see one. Okay, guys, I can already see one. Come here! How did you balance this? Ooh, it's another prize!
Wow!
Oh my God, it's right there. It's so small!
Last. Malapit sa aquarium.
Okay. Oh my God, I saw it. Bro, this is not an egg!
Ay, egg yan para sa akin.
No! Okay, guys, we found all the eggs. Let's color them.
Wow!
Okay, guys, we all found the eggs, and then we're gonna open these surprise eggs first.
Wow!
Oh my God. Bro, I like it. Why did you get this? Why did you put it? I don't know what it does. Ooh, money.
Money. Oh.
More money.
May
Oh,
pera.
meron.
Oh, magkano pera mo?
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat.
Apat.
Wow!
Okay.
Malaki naman.
Here we go. Oh, Snickers!
Ang lakas ng bibig nito. Dapat sa kapitbahay. Mamaya mo na kainin.
Ay,
Ay, naminuksan na agad.
ano?
Diyos ko, kinain na agad. Ay, ang lambot na. Nainita na. Sino yan?
Corn sisters.
Corn. Corn daw. Pero sa akin, si Bion Bito to.
They're corn.
Sabi ko, hindi kilala ni Pau Pau yun.
No! It's supposed to be. It's supposed to be green.
Ay, green ba dapat?
Yeah, you don't know. The top part is supposed to be
Hindi
yellow.
ba dapat corn yellow? Okay.
It's not actually full of yellow.
Okay.
It needs to be actually
Okay.
separate.
Okay, mali daw ako. Dapat daw green.
Pwede
Yung buong katawan.
Yeah, yung buong katawan. But hindi ito ah.
Ano po yung ulo?
Green.
Green din?
Opo.
Eto na, natapos ko na si B1 at saka si B2.
Ano?
Hindi kilala ni Pau Pau. Ano?
Sige na, later ko ipakita. Bye guys, love you.
Okay, busy na kami.
Okay, busy na kami ni Mommy. Happy Easter, guys! When we're done, we'll show you the results.
Okay, bye!
Bye, guys!
Wow!